wanted the venue by themselves. It's like, all right, fine, we'll go. We can't go in during they've got the free concert meet and greet thing, and she actually took her album and got it signed, and they had a good time. But yeah, and then we stood outside on the hill for 2 hours while they were in the meet and greet, waiting to get inside. Then we get inside, and there's an actual bar inside the venue.
Yeah.
And like, just kind of off to the side of the dance stage. It's open seat. It's general admission. There's no seating.
This is Madam
News.
Yeah, okay.
But in the bar, there's a bench one down one side and a couple of tables. So when we get in there, we're like the first people there. We sat at one of the tables.
All right.
And even this side, I wanna tuck this side a little better too. 'Cause I didn't.
Destroying all that work.
No.
Some huffing all that glue.
Yeah, no, this isn't. Pretty sure toluene just gives you cancer. No fun side effects. Is that thing blowing cold?
Yeah. I'm directing it your way.
Waft it. Wafting.
So we have a headliner. I didn't film much of this process. It was a 2-day process to get this thing in. And it was not trivial, but Danny did a great job. He came out and yeah, I mean, it's tight as a drum. And it looks awesome. Some of the clips are still in until the weather stripping gaskets go in. How did we do this? So we started by, there's 2 little clips that hold this rear bow in, and you pull that forward and it catches it. And that's sort of how they're all held in place. And then we clamped the back and gave the front a pretty good tug. And Danny had this steam machine. He steamed all this vinyl, so it was hot. And then we pulled it, and that was the spot. So we did the front, did the back, then we did the sides in the middle, and then tackled the corners. And that was pretty good. I mean, it worked out great. So that was how this headliner went in. And now everything else can go in. Now glass can go in, front and back, weather stripping. There were so many things on this car that you cannot do until you get this headliner in. So that's so that's really cool, because I got a pile of gaskets and stuff and weather stripping that needs to go in, and now that can happen. I hope you enjoyed some of the footage I caught, and that's about it.